Hi, my name is Michelle Claremont, and I'm here today to introduce you to my Fatty Liver Disease Awareness Project. Today, I will tell you who I am, why we need to raise awareness, and what I'm going to do with the crowdfunding money that is donated. I became aware of fatty liver disease in 2008 when my child was diagnosed with this after a year of illness. She was 11 years old at the time and had just recovered from a very bad case of pneumonia, which was followed up by mono. She never got healthier again. The pediatrician was ready to give up on her and send her to a psychiatrist to work through why she was faking being sick. I broke into tears and asked him to please look one more time. I knew she wasn't faking it. She used to be a healthy, happy little girl. I knew she was sick. He looked through her files and reviewed an older stomach ultrasound that was done a few months earlier. He reviewed a blood test result, and then he turned around in his chair and said, "She has NASH. She will need to eat right and exercise, and then she will be better." That was it. No other advice. I left and I went to Google to search for NASH. What I found in medical terms told me that she was heading to cirrhosis and that she could die without a liver transplant. This created panic in me. I searched for liver-friendly diets and found nothing. I couldn't believe that I was the only parent looking for this, so I went to Facebook and created a group to find other people that were dealing with this disease and find out what they were eating. I have been running this group since 2008. It now has almost 1,500 members from all over the world who are looking to reverse their conditions. I have reviewed Google Alerts daily to watch for new research and suggestions to help people deal with this disease. What I have found in this group is that most of them have been given no advice other than to eat right and exercise. We have learned together over the years, and I can say that no one in my group has gotten worse. They either stabilize or they reverse their disease. Sadly, I have also seen over 10 deaths from this disease. Members as young as 30 have died. This happens when the doctors do not take this seriously and leave patients with the impression that it's not important. The truth is, it can be benign if you find it early and reverse it, but if you don't take action to reverse it, it can become very serious, require a transplant, or potentially cause death. My why as to what I'm doing right now is complicated. There are many important reasons to raise awareness of fatty liver disease. I have 5 primary reasons. 1, if this disease is dealt with early, it can be reversed with lifestyle changes. 2, a November 2011 study in the New England Journal of Medicine reported that because our children are getting chronically ill before they reach adulthood, they will be the first generation to live shorter lives than their parents. 3, the World Health Organization in December 2012 listed non-alcoholic fatty liver disease as a pandemic. 1 in 3 people in North America have a fatty liver, and most people don't even know they do. When I started this in 2008, it was 1 in 5. It is steadily increasing as it gets diagnosed more frequently. 4, young adults are going into adulthood in many cases without any knowledge of healthy eating or how to cook. They are dealing with record levels of infertility, and some of that is related to lack of nutrition. 5, the early stages of this disease have very few noticeable symptoms. You need to know what to pay attention to and how to get tested. I will use the money that's donated in a number of ways to raise awareness. 1, I will write a book for patients with stories and tips from the 1,500 members in my support group. 2, I will write a children's book to raise awareness for 6 to 10-year-olds to encourage them to eat more fruits and vegetables and reward them with games and challenges to eat more fruits and vegetables. 3, I will set up a website for patients and those who want to avoid the disease by listing out chemicals and words to avoid on labels and advice for handling the grocery store. 4, I will set up a mobile application for adults to allow them to take that advice into the grocery store and reward them for healthy meals that they log. A mobile application is number 5 for kids to track fruits and vegetables with games to play as a way to keep them engaged and tracking what they eat. 6, create fatty liver disease awareness videos with cooking tips, eating out tips, ways to handle a busy life with this disease. And 7, continue with speaking engagements to spread this awareness and ensure no one ignores the diagnosis. In order for me to work on all of these items, I need people. I need an editor, I need web designers, web application developers, illustrator, hosting services, and many other services to ensure everything is professional and valuable to the public. I thank you very much for taking the time for viewing this video and hope that you will support this crowdfunding project and make a donation today.